check our diesel now. How much is the diesel today?
136.
136. Oh my god. 136 the diesel. 91.
The price of oil has come down. But
Yes.
the pumps don't adjust it. But they're quick to raise it.
Yes. Check the oil first before you go to Caticlan. Make sure it's okay. The Island Power Corporation. Look at that power line. Yo, sugarcane. Goodness. Goodness. On the other side also. Why those facts on there?
I think that's have to do with the petrol price.
Petrol price.
Yeah.
Yes. It's so expensive
maybe,
now. Yeah. Oh my god.
But the drivers are sitting in the trucks.
It's so long already.
Yeah. All the way to Passi.
Yes. Never ends, guys. Oh my god. In here is just Kadu's Resort.
Resort and restaurant.
Yes, resort and restaurant.
Oh, we never saw this.
Yes, we came here the last time, guys, but we didn't come in this area. Welcome to Capiz. Now we are in Capiz now, guys. Woo.
That's not Capiz.
In Capiz. Welcome to Capiz, guys. It's tomorrow. Guys, you cannot see it properly in the camera. The whole drive. Ambuk's karinderya.
It doesn't come out to the camera.
Yes, it doesn't come out nicely. Actually, it's beautiful here in Capiz also, guys. That's my driver. It's all my stuff.
All good. Look at the old jeepneys down there.
Oh no, it's not jeepney. There's a funeral one.
Oh.
We are leaving Capiz. Now, welcome to Municipality of Mambusao. Okay, Boracay, Mambusao, Capiz.
Okay.
Yes, welcome to Mambusao, guys. Mambusao, wow, Labao. Be honest, even if others are not.
7-Eleven.
There?
Yeah.
Oh, finally you found a 7-Eleven. We can stop here then. We can buy some water. That's their church. This beautiful church.
Yeah.
Stop over. We need to buy our water. And we are hungry already. And now we stop here in Mambusao. Oh, look at their church. Saint Catherine of Alexandria Parish Church. Love it. I like the color. Beautiful church, yeah. It's beautiful, eh?
Yeah,
Church.
the statues, all of them along
Yeah.
the saints.
And this is their plaza.
Look at the angels at the top. Cute. Did you get the angels on the edges?
Oh yeah, it's cute.
Adorning the edges of the rooftop.
Yes, nice church. Beautiful. Now we're going to 7-Eleven. Mountains everywhere here in the Philippines. Coconut trees everywhere. Different types of trees. It's beautiful.
And mountains.
Yes, now we are more like 2 hours more before we arrive in Caticlan. God, long way to go. Guys, so far away.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Scenery is good.
Scenery is so beautiful here.
It's fun to drive.
Yes, fun to drive.
The road is not bad actually. Just a little bit bumpy.
Yep. But we do stop over. Yes.
This one?
Yes. Small bumpy road. Drive from Iloilo to Caticlan, Boracay. Hope you can find you have to leave this car.
Parking.
Parking, yeah.
What do you call that? Parking.
What do you call it?
Shella's favorite saying. What you call that?
Sometimes my brain is not working, especially in the morning. Guys, look at those mountains.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Welcome to Caticlan.
So beautiful. The bananas,
Yes.
plantations.
It's a peaceful road to.
See
you in Kalibu, Jollibee. Oh, it's beautiful. Lots of coconut trees also.
Yeah.
I wonder where's James and Cardin live? From Kalibu, right? I don't know if you can see this beautiful palm trees here. There's lots of palm trees. Kalibu! Kalibu Aklan! Oh, almost there.
Almost there.
Oh. I am very sleepy because I didn't sleep last night.
Yeah, we only went to sleep at 1 and
Yes.
we got up at 4:30.
Yeah, I think I sleep at 2 a.m. or like that. So, Kalibu! Woo!
Yay!
Woo!
We made it.
Made it! Almost now, guys!
Almost there. Hour and a half left.
Say.
It's so wide.
Yeah. See, and they have lots of solar lights.
Oh yeah.
I'm sure at night it's not dark in here. So you can see those mountains. Oh,
It's nice and flat. It's easy to drive. That's why.
yes. Nice. Now in Caticlan. Almost in Boracay now. So stopover first. And look at this one. It's
So
so
beautiful.
beautiful here. You don't need to go to Boracay. It just stays in here. It's already pretty. They're swimming there. All those young ones. Oh, so pretty here. To Visayas. It's lovely. Mountains. After I think we are in 4 hours already driving in the road. With our car. It's our first time we bring the car to Boracay. Yeah. And this is our second time going to Boracay now. It's preparing to fly it's gonna fly the drone in this area. Now try to fly the drone in this area. Oh, it's super hot.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so nice.
Flight is too long.
Getting tan again. now that's the area they're going to Boracay. So beautiful, blue water. Oh, and the other side is so nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Wow. Chocolate hills, guys. Wow, they have chocolate hills too here.
But there's lots of
Wire, yeah. Looks like a chocolate hills.
yeah.
Why? It's easy to go down. It's really pretty.
Yeah, we are pushing our luggage. As we've just parked the car, we managed to find an open parking, a space in a parking area where you pay per night. It's 250 pesos per night. At least the car is safe. It's actually under a tree. But now we have to walk to the ferry station down there. No microphone. Yeah. Okay, now we need to do the various fees. The environmental fee and the ticket fee and everything else. See you later. Lots of little shops down here. Mambusao, the 7-Eleven, and the beautiful sea. And there's a Shangri-La hotel here as well, I believe, somewhere here. And that's where the station is, the ferry station, the building. Lots of people, lots of cars. Woo. And it's really busy today. Don't know why. Boracay is popular. Oh, look at this. Look at this, guys. There's tons of people.
Yes, now we are here now. Taking for our
Take that for you.
ticket. Do you already get the ticket? What's number? This one?
This one, the yellow one.
Oh, okay.
Chania 4.
Chania 4. So how about when we come back?
Good.
Oh, just proceed I give the...
Yeah, we just show the QR code again.
No, it's not easy. It's okay. It's okay. Si ano ha? Oh, thank you. Hi. Thank you so much. There you go.
We have finally arrived in Boracay. Look at this beautiful color of the water. It's just amazing. This boat looks like it's floating. Well, it is floating, but it looks like it's floating in the sky. And the sand is just white. So we're still on the jetty. So now we have to get a tricycle. And there's only electric tricycles here to the main beach area where our hotel is. So, yeah, it's crazy busy. And it's not even Easter weekend anymore.
Yes.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, it's a stunning day. Okay, see you later. This is our ride to the hotel. All electric. There's some blue ones and lots of taxis that you can also grab, but this is the easiest. And you get the whole cab for yourself. Oh, you have to load our luggage. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
they're
Wow.
awesome.
Wow. Huh? Now we are ready. Hot.
Hot, super duper hot.
Yes. Now we just sit back and wait.
Sweating.
Right. Sweating.
Wet
Oh.
in Boracay.
I can't believe how many people there are. Why
So
it's so
packed
busy?
today.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Maybe it's for the weekend because it's Friday today.
Yeah, I guess so.
You know. There's a lot of foreigners as well. Heck with foreigners. Okay.
Oh, ito naman. This is very simple room we take because we don't always stay in the inside the hotel, so just
Yeah.
get
But
the
it's big.
simple room. Yeah, but it's big, this one. That's me, Tommy.
Hello,
Tommy.
everyone.
There's our bed.
Before
Two
the
bed.
fan.
One for me, one for him.
Really?
Yes. We actually don't sleep together, guys. If you know that. That's the outside view. Before we
Yeah,
stay
yeah.
upstairs. Now we are here. And that's his table where he work and eat it. And that's, we have a TV and everything.
Yeah, lots of cupboard and drawers,
Yes. Free coffee.
Yeah.
Yep.
Safe.
Yes.
And a fridge.
And a fridge. Oh, small
Mhm.
fridge.
That's nice.
And this is the toilet. Just simple.
Yeah, but it's big.
Yeah.
That's nice.
As long as big and clean.
Yes.
Yes. Our room for 5 days in Boracay. Simple. Shake.
Yes.
Mango shake and coconut shake first arrived.
Nice and cold.
Yes. We didn't
Coconut
eat.
for the island.
Yeah. We didn't eat yet.
No.
Yeah.
A bit shaky at the moment.
Shaky already go. I feel dizzy
We've
from
been
long
traveling
ride.
since 4, 5 this morning.
Yes.
And
God.
very little food.
No little food. It's just a pandesal.
Yeah.
And 7-Eleven shop
But
out.
we have a view.
Yes. Beautiful.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Oh, why am I? Joy. Waiting for a shawarma.
Yes.
Cutie shawarma.
Just a snack.
It's lucky for the day.
Yeah.
Diet.
Before dinner late.
Yes. So we can go sleep and nap. Have a nap. Yes.
Snacky and a nappy.
Yes, nappy. Second and nappy. Yes. Party later.
Yes, I can hardly wait now.